not going to take up any more of your time. I'm going to let us honor our students, and we're going to start out tonight with our Department Chair for Industrial Technology, Tracy Johnson.
Good evening and welcome, and thank you for coming and enjoying our nice air-conditioned theater in this lovely warm summer. Is it summer already? Evening. I'd like to call up three of my students, Jeffrey Yen, Enoch Shim, and Kate Anvik, to join me up front, please. So industrial technology at Cupertino High School is woodworking classes. This is Enoch. He's a freshman in woodworking 1, and he is an avid woodworker, and he is a busy beaver, and he comes in every day and asks questions and gets to work and starts carving or wood burning or painting. And when he gets done with the assigned project, then he starts more carving and wood burning and scroll sawing. And he loves woodworking. He comes in during tutorial and brunch, and he uses it as a good opportunity to practice his English skills. He makes a very valiant attempt to use his English and develop that as well. So congratulations, Enoch, for having a Certificate of Excellence in Woodworking 1. And this is Kate. Kate is a woodworking 3 student. She's been woodworking for 3 years now. I think I had her as a freshman in art as well. So she's been with me every single year, and I love Kate. Kate is another person who just comes in, heads for her corner, gets her little stash of stuff out, and starts working. She's currently finishing up a full chess set. She made the chessboard, all the pieces, and they all represent the symbols of woodworking tools. And so we're at the end of the year. It's her senior year. You think she'd want to relax a little bit, and she comes in today and she says, "I've got this idea. I need a case to put these in, so I need to get the wood cut so I can go home this summer and start making the case or the box to put all the pieces in." So Kate's been a fabulous student. She's helped out with making cutting boards this year that were an auction item at the district fundraiser, the Crab Feed. So congratulations, Kate, and good luck in your future endeavors. And this is my new friend, Jeffrey. Jeffrey's a senior at Cupertino High School. It's his first year at Cupertino High School. I got an email through the school loop in the middle of a summer. "I want to be in your woodworking class, but they wouldn't let me. It was full. Can I be your aide?" And I'm like, I've never met this kid before. I don't know what's going on. And he shows up the first day of school and comes in, and I said, "You're hired." He came in and showed me his block planes and some of his tools that he brought with him. And he's a natural. He's a natural woodworker, and he's a natural with the students. I keep trying to recruit him to take my job when I'm ready to retire. The kids go to him like a magnet for help and to talk to him and get ideas. And he's easygoing, and he's very approachable, and he's an excellent woodworker. And I thank you so much for your contributions to the woodworking program at Cupertino High School. You're here. Congratulations. And next, I'd like to invite up to the podium Miss Michelle McClellan, Mrs. McClellan, our living skills teacher.